In today's video, I'm gonna explain to you everything you need to know about the Facebook Ads library, how to spy on your competitors' ads, and how to leverage all its functionalities. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Alex. I own an e-commerce growth agency. I've had my agency for more than 3 years, and we help businesses scale with Facebook Ads, Google Ads, and email marketing. And believe me, I'm using the Facebook Ads library almost on a daily basis. So without further ado, let's hop into my computer and I'll show you how to use it. So here we are in my computer, guys, and first I'll show you how you can access the Facebook Ads library. So you need to go to a Facebook page that you want to see what ads they're doing, and you need to go to here, page, loading brand. For different type of businesses, it's gonna show different things. But it's gonna be here. You click on it, this pop-up is gonna appear. You go to ad library, you click there, and here we are in the Facebook Ads library of Gymshark. Now, there's a couple of things that you need to know. So first, we're gonna start from here. Where it says all, you can click and you can choose in which country you want to see the ads for the brand. It doesn't work all of the time, so let's try Germany, because I know they're 100% running ads in Germany, but you can see the number doesn't changes, and they're for sure not running 4,400 ads in Germany. So when this doesn't work, what you need to do is go to the URL here, and you need to find where it says country equals O. You need to highlight O and change it to the 2 letters of the country that you want to see the ads. So for example, Germany is DE, you hit enter, and you can see they have 1,100 ads in Germany. You can also see the language, that is German, and you can inspect all of their ads in Germany. You can do the same for, let's say, the US, highlight them, go to US, 450 ads. So the second thing here, you have all ads. When you click on them, you can see if the company has run ads about issues, elections and politics, properties, employment and credit. In the search bar here, you can select and look for different brands. So you can do, let's say, Tiffany & Co. And then you can see all of their ads. Let's go back to Gymshark. Next, you have about. So if you click about, you can see more information about the business and about the page. Followers they have on Facebook, followers they have on Instagram, page history, people who manage the page. You can see 32 people from the United Kingdom, 22 people from the United States, and 1 person from the Philippines. Organization that manages this page is Gymshark Ltd, is responsible for this page, United Kingdom. But let's go back to ads. Now here, when you have similar region ads, now when the brand is running ads in different countries and they have set up their own entities there, you can check it here. So for example, Germany, view ads. Again, sometimes it doesn't work. That's why I would recommend you to go for the URL where it says country equals O, change it to the 2 letters of the country code. Then you can see ads launched in September. You can see all of the ads that they have launched in September. If you continue to scroll, you'll be able to find ads that have been launched in August, for example. So here you can see, just a second, ads launched in August. You can see 31st of August, 31st of August. So when you scroll to the bottom, you're gonna be able to see the ads that have run for the longest. And if a business is running ads for, let's say, 1 to 3 months, not every time, but most of the time, it means that those ads are working. So this way you can see what's working for the brand, if it's a competitor of yours, so you can replicate what they're doing and get better results on Facebook ads. The next thing you need to pay attention to is which platforms they're running the ads to. So you can see at the moment, this ad is going to Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, and Messenger. If you want to see ad details, you click see ad details and you can see the ad here. You can click about the advertiser. You can also check the call to action. Click it, you're gonna see where it takes the people. When you go back, the next thing you might see in some ads is 6 ads use this creative and text. This means that Gymshark is using this specific creative in 6 different audiences. So they are testing 6 different audiences with this creative. Next thing you can see is the copy they're using, the creative, and again, the call to action button. You can filter by keywords, you can add filters, and you can save your search. Next, we have this part. So this ad has multiple versions. If you go into the information icon, it's gonna say this ad uses one of our dynamic products where advertisers provide a combination of images, text, and platform-specific preferences so that our system can automatically create the right combination for the audience. So when you're creating ads, you have the option to add maybe 5 headlines, 5 link descriptions, and 5 main copy. And what Facebook will do is gonna show it to a lot of people and then try different combinations of those headlines and link descriptions. When they find the best combination, is gonna promote it the most. And yeah, that's basically it though. Just go through your competitors' ads, see what they're doing, see when the ads were launched, what creatives they're using, what text they're using, and try to replicate it and see if it's gonna perform for you. But yeah, that was about it. If you own an e-commerce store and you want to scale it, there's gonna be a link for you in the description below where you can book a call with me. And if you found value in this video, like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out get these videos out there. And yeah, thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.